Most people use ChatGPT for basic questions, but once you know how to use it properly, it can feel like magic. In this video, I'll show you 7 powerful use cases that can save you time, help you think better, and work smarter every day. The first use case is turning messy notes into a clean summary. This is perfect for meetings, classes, or brainstorming sessions. Instead of organizing everything manually, you can let ChatGPT do it for you. The second use case is planning your day in seconds. You can tell ChatGPT your goals, and it will create a productive schedule for you. This is great when you want structure without spending time planning. The third use case is turning ideas into content. Whether you're making videos, posts, or blogs, ChatGPT can help you build a full outline from a simple idea. The fourth use case is learning anything faster. Instead of reading long articles, you can ask ChatGPT to teach you step by step with examples. The fifth use case is making better decisions. You can ask ChatGPT to compare options and recommend the best one based on your needs. The sixth use case is improving your writing. You can turn rough drafts into clear, confident, and professional text in just a few seconds. The seventh use case is turning goals into action. Instead of feeling overwhelmed, you can create a clear step-by-step plan to get started. If you want simple AI workflows that actually save time, subscribe to Neural Toolkit. New videos every week.